Have you ever seen this machine? A bubble remove machine that does not need the air compressor. This is Bill from Nasan Technology. Today I will show you a very amazing machine. That's our B2 Plus bubble remove machine. It's controlled by a touch panel with timing function. Of course, its biggest highlight is that it does not need the air compressor. B2 Plus supports two models. First, we can connect the air compressor like an ordinary bubble remove machine. Next is the most special function. We no longer need the air compressor. This is the bubble remove machine can be worked independently. Now let me show you the magic function with my operation. Here is the LCD with bubbles. We put it into B2 Plus. Plug the air hole, then click Start and press the air compressor switch to start bubble removing. We can see here, its pressure can reach 0.7 MPa in 20 to 30 seconds, which is about 100 psi. This pressure can be used for removing bubble no problem. Okay, time's up. We take out the LCD. It's perfect. Without any bubbles. I think it's a perfect video. If you like our video, please like and follow our channel. And if there are any questions for B2 Plus, just message us. Thank you.